Hi guys, we have here the Andis Slimline Pro Li. I'm just doing a quick review here on the product. As you can see, comes with a charger stand. This is model number 32400. This lithium ion battery. Great quality trimmer. These can be zero gapped, so for you who are looking for a sharp cut, most definitely these can be zero gapped, so definitely you want to pick these up. If you're looking to purchase these, you can visit the link in the video or in the description below. However, we will unbox this. Let's give you guys a quick look at the back here. Comes with the guards, as you can see. Charger stand. So let's go ahead and open this up. We'll put these aside for now. So this is one of the quality price point Andis trimmers on the market. Apparently Andis will come out with a cordless T-out liner, so when that comes out, that will probably be my favorite cordless, but nonetheless, this is nice and small, fits into your hand nicely. You know, you have a charger stand while you're not using it, you can plug it in, make sure it's always charged so you can ready to go for your next client, or if you're at home. It's kind of easy to use, you know, trim your beard, you want to line up, do whatever. It's a lot easier when rather than having a cord. Granted, it's not as powerful, but it still does a great job, you know, keeping the edge up, especially if you want to, you know, smaller details, the blade smaller, easier to control in your hand compared to the, you know, Andis T-out liner. So there is the trimmer. Let's go ahead and open up the packaging quickly here so you guys can see what's on the inside. See here the charger stand. The charger stand right there. Got the charger cable. Got the oil. Got a cleaning brush. And then we got the guards. It comes with 4 guards. 0, 1, 2, and 3. So 1/16, 1/8, 1/4, and 3/8. So for those who want to, you know, keep some length on your beards or the mustache, great comes with the guards. Or you can buy it separate if you lost it. You can visit the link in the description below. We have them available. So there you have it. You have the Andis Slimline. It can be zero gap, so to get that sharp cut. So you kind of just put it on the charger dock. The charger dock does light up, or sorry, not the charger, the trimmer itself lights up once it's on, so you'll know. So here's an example of my own. You can see here. Give you guys a sound bite quickly of this trimmer. That's my own personal use. As you can see, pretty high quality, zero gap from the Andis brand. So that's my own personal trimmer, as you can see here. That's the sound bite. So my review is, this is a great quality trimmer at a great price point. You cannot go wrong. Something that's small, fits in your hand. You can kind of maneuver around your clients. Granted, it's not a T-out liner, so it shouldn't be your primary, you know, trimmer, but it's definitely needed, especially if you're a barber. But especially if you want, you know, something nice and light, kind of work on your clients, get you closer, and it can be zero gapped. It is a great quality. Charger, battery life is pretty good. You know, it can last up to 2 hours on a run time of a single charge. But if you're in the barber shop or any stylist, just always keep it on the charger dock, on the charger stand. That's its purpose. And you'll never have to worry about its life, you know, because every time you use it, finish it, put it back, and you'll be good. And it runs at a great quality price. So if you're looking to purchase this, you can visit the link in the description below. This is the Andis. They do have the replacement blades below as well. So it's a great overall trimmer. However, we will see when the Andis cordless TI liner comes out. We'll compare that and give you a side-by-side view. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. And please subscribe to our channel.